One thing about walls that's often overlooked is the fact that noise travels in many directions. So yes, it's going to hit that wall, but it's going to travel over the wall, it's going to travel around the sides of the wall, and many aspects affect that. So it can be the time of day, nighttime obviously, when the weather's at its coolest, less humidity, we've got noise travelling a lot further. On a cloudy day, that's when noise is going to go straight up, hit the clouds and down the other side of that wall, making the effect of that wall significantly less. One factor to consider is if you can get that noise at the source, at the machine, at the asset, and stop that noise there, it's so much more beneficial for that accumulated noise, for that travelling noise being stopped and not penetrating through the community, or maybe it's even a mining camp where you've got workers trying to sleep. The quality of sleep's been upset. Well, by actually reducing that noise at the source, you're fixing that problem.